Hey, thanks for sharing your plan. Got it open in Cheap Architect X12. Okay, the first thing I thought to look at would be up here. And this wall here looks like it's out of alignment with the one below. Let's turn on the reference display. Not very much out of alignment. We'll click on it. See if there it is. Align with wall below. Yeah, and the program apps, hey, you're messing with an automatically generated wall that I made, and I'm a robot. And are you sure you want to do that? Yeah, I'm sure. Next thing is Joanne and Eric said to adjust the roof plane edge. Let's take a look at that, where that edge is. Oh, look. It's chopping right across that wall. And this one that I lined up, but let's just adjust this edge back a little bit. I just pull that back a little bit. Let's take an overview look and see if those two things have made a difference. Well, it looks better already. It's not perfect. Well, let's just take a look at that. I'm going to click on this wall and see, and hit the tab key. Okay. I think it's probably just a bad corner here. I'm just guessing. But that wall, see, that wall should come over here to the edge. I'm just going to try to, okay. Now that overdid it. See, now it's sticking out a little bit. So I'm going to pull it back, and that helped a little bit. I'm going to pull it back just a smidgen and then let go of it. Wow, look at that. I'm going to try to, okay. See, by adjusting carefully and patiently the wall polyline, that went away. Oh, it's go out over here too now. Probably the same sort of thing. Like Joanne and Eric said, I'm going to click on the edge of this and pull it out of the wall. Ooh, that fixed that right well, except for this thing. This is probably the same sort of thing. See how this automatically generated wall doesn't quite go to the corner, so I'm going to try to persuade it. The program says, hey, that's my wall. Well, I don't care. It's my wall. Okay, that fixed it. See, this software is very good, but it is not and never has been, nor I predict never will be. Ooh, the same sort of thing going on back here. Perfect, to finish my earlier sentence. I'm going to click on that roof plane and just do the same thing. Pull it back just a little bit, a few inches. Yeah, okay. Pull it back just a little bit. I better zoom in so I can see what I'm clicking on. There it is in the center. I can barely see it. Pull it back. Yeah. So Eric and Joanne were correct. But I thought I'd make this quick little video just to demonstrate that you mustn't depend only on the software, because it's a machine. It's pre-programmed to do what it does, and then past that, you got to step in and make it happen. Okay? Thanks for watching the video, and I hope it helps you and others. Thank you. I'm out of here.